Master says, I am happiness and how to discover it. Purify the mind, discern where happiness is located is the way. But it takes 4 steps. Lift your mind by your intellect. Never degrade your mind. Never bring it down by blaming, expecting, and reacting. Mind is our friend, and mind is our enemy when impure. Now, only when the mind is impulsive means it thinks, and it speaks and acts unconsciously, habitually. It does not listen to the intellect. That means it is the knowledge, it doesn't listen to it. And that causes the happiness. So that is why the Master says, lift your mind by your intellect. And for God's sake, never degrade your mind, never bring it down. Mind is our friend and mind is our enemy. When the mind is enemy, when it is impure. When the mind is our friend, when it is pure. Any mantra helps to purify the mind, changes behavior and attitude. So what is the purification? In the state of purification, I remain calm and relaxed, fresh and happy. So when I say Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu, Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu, Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu, Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu, let everyone be happy, in peace, completeness, and be in auspiciousness. So that simply, it doesn't mean that I'm seeking blessing for everyone in the world. But when I recite this mantra, it goes into my head, it replaces the other reactive and the negative thought. That is how the mantra works.